Okay, so my routine is take this out of the machine and then put one, remember, just one filter over top of this. Alright, and then pour some coffee in. So let's go to the coffee. So here's the machine itself. It's always on. Okay, so what we do, we put some coffee in here. If I drink it, by myself, I only need like 2 teaspoons of coffee. Remember, this is gonna be very, very strong. Alright. Very simple. And that's it. Just slide in right there. Okay. And then just go back here and get my coffee jar. Alright, and here's a cap. I'm not gonna use the cap for now, but you put it right here and pour some water in here. Okay, let's go get some water. Depending on how much you drink coffee, or how much you have coffee in there, and how light or how dark you want it to be. So right now I think just 1 cup is good enough for me. Pour it right in here. And then start kicks in immediately. Okay. Close this cap and watch it run. I might have to fast forward a little bit because it has to get warmed up. So I'm just gonna pause the video and come back later on. Something is running. Take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes to actually heat it up. So alright, so just a few seconds later and you can see start dripping. And then it's gonna be ready soon. Right there. 2 minutes, you have your coffee ready. Very easy operation. You might want to use filter water only to put in here. Okay. That's all you have to do. And then you drink your coffee.